Growing up, when Mum wanted to put a really quick dinner on the table, this is what she would make. It is an asparagus and ham gratin. Now you can see that I've made a thick bechamel here. I've seasoned it with nutmeg and salt and pepper. Now I want it to be thick because my asparagus will render some water as it bakes in the oven. So I'll nestle them into my gratin dish that's been buttered, and you can see that I've just trimmed them and peeled them and also blanched them so they're still slightly crisp in the centre. I like to use double smoked leg ham for this. I'm going to finely chop it. The other alternative is to wrap each individual asparagus spear in the ham, so it's up to you, but I want to make this super quick. So we're just going to chop it into strips, separate the strips, and I find the smokier the ham, the tastier this is. So we'll just pop that over our asparagus. I'll add some cheese to the bechamel and we'll just incorporate a handful, and then we'll pour this over our delicious ham and asparagus. Oh, yum. I love bechamel sauce. So spread that out. And so it's extra cheesy, some more of the Gruyere. Now this goes under the grill in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes or until it's golden brown and bubbly. And there you have it. Asparagus spears with some double smoked ham and lots of cheesy bechamel. This is very French. You know what? It always reminds me of my mama.